What's up, guys? So I'm going to talk a little bit about some ammo I recently got, projectiles for the TR-50 11 Joule version. It's not really new ammo. It's been around for a while, but new to me. And I got it at Less Lethal Defense, Home Wrecker, the HomeDefense24, I believe they're called. The aluminum balls, 2.8 gram, 50 cal. We're gonna make a short, quick video here, seeing what the FPS is on them. So if I can get this in here. All right, let's see what we get. FPS wise, I have not done this yet, so I've been curious. So let's see what happens. See how they cycle. $293. Well, I hope I don't have to chase these all around. God. $299. $292. $298. Pretty consistent. $303. $278. All right. Let's check the. I'll have to pick all those up. Go back down. 303 I know is the highest. From here they're pretty consistent. Not too bad, I don't think. High 303, low 278, average 293. As far as I'm concerned, that's not too bad. I'm gonna make another video that I will attach. Okay guys, I am back. Fresh CO2, numerics, HomeDefense24, I believe there's a name. Same rounds we just did a chronograph with. They were just under 12 joules. These are 2.8 gram, in case you're just tuning in. We're going to shoot that baking pan there at realistic distance if we were going to be attacked, for an example, or if you had to use it in your vehicle, close encounters. That's how I prefer to determine if I like the product or not, at a realistic distance. As you all know, if you're fans of my channel, realistic distance, say that 10 times fast, it's going to be up close and personal. So I like to go determine a product, if I like it or not, roughly about 5 feet, 3 to 5 feet, and what damage it may or may not do. So far, all my launchers I like, as far as pistol style. So anyways, here we go, guys. Let's get this done. You guys can see fresh CO2. All right, 6 shots. Let's check out the pan and see. I have not done this, so I'm interested to see. Great. All right, I'll be picking them up again. Let's see here. Okay, they did some pretty good marks there on here. A small crack there, which you guys may or may not be able to see. Bigger one there that shows up a little bit. The camera would just focus right there. Pretty good impact. As you guys know, I'm going for the face, nowhere else if I can. Always strike first. So that's it for this one, you guys. More videos to come. Like, share, subscribe.